I am not a normal person. Yes, I'm saying that out loud. I have ADHD and bipolar disorder, and my brain works differently than neurotypical people. I'm a neurodivergent, and I want people to understand that, because when people treat you like you're a normal person, then they shame you for not being able to do the normal things, for being lazy, which is called executive dysfunction, which is not laziness. People with ADHD have ADHD paralysis, executive dysfunction, and others, even doctors. My doctors told me that I am lazy. They don't understand that it's not laziness, it's executive dysfunction. When somebody so badly wants to do something but still cannot do it because they feel physically paralyzed by something, then it is called executive dysfunction. And it is genetic. Sometimes it is, oh my god, it's so basic that I just don't know why don't even the doctors understand this. Leave about other people, normal people understanding it. Even doctors don't understand, and they shame you, they blame you that the normal person can do a job. Why can't you do a job? The normal person can find a partner. Why can't you find a partner? The normal person can do this. Why can't you do this? So they keep comparing someone with the normal person who is not normal, whose brain is wired differently. We need to educate people on that people with neurodivergent, who are neurodivergents, are not normal. They have a mental disorder and they suffer from it. They are suffering inside already. Don't make it even more harder for them, please. It's just my request to the world. I mean, my request to anyone and everyone out there. We are already suffering from inside. Please don't make it harder for us by comparing us with the normal people and saying that why can't you do the things that normal people do. That's it. That's what I wanted to share. Is already so much internalized shame, guilt, anxiety, depression, whatnot. We are already facing all of these things. We are down with depression. We are having anxious. We have anxious attachment style. We have ADHD paralysis and racing thoughts and whatnot. And after that, if you shame that person, this is the reason why there's so many suicides. Don't blame the victims. They fought, but at some point they felt like they can't fight it anymore, because the world doesn't understand. When you're paralyzed, when you can't walk, when you have broken your legs, people can see that, so they understand. They don't tell that person you should go and walk, you should go and run. They don't tell that person because they can see that. But when it comes to mental health disorders, people can't see it. So people say that why don't you do this, why don't you do this like a normal person. And that hurts. That comparison hurts, because we are already comparing ourselves with others and we feel like we are failing at life. And then when you say this, that just adds up on it. Yeah, that's it. Please try to understand neurodivergence. Please try to educate yourself on the basic mental health issues like ADHD, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia. Please try to educate yourself, and please do not shame a person who's a neurodivergent, who's already going through a lot. We can't take it.